What is Transport Layer Security, TLS? Transport Layer Security, or TLS, is a widely adopted security protocol designed to facilitate privacy and data security for communications over the Internet. A primary use case of TLS is encrypting the communication between web applications and servers, such as web browsers loading a website. TLS can also be used to encrypt other communications such as email, messaging, and voice over IP, VoIP. In this video we will focus on the role of TLS in web application security. TLS was proposed by the Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF, an international standards organization, and the first version of the protocol was published in 1999. The most recent version is TLS 1.3, which was published in 2018. What does TLS do? There are three main components to what the TLS protocol accomplishes: encryption, authentication, and integrity. Encryption hides the data being transferred from third parties. Authentication ensures that the parties exchanging information are who they claim to be. Integrity verifies that the data has not been forged or tampered with. In the next video, we will explain how TLS works. Make sure subscribe and like the video.